Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Y equals to 2x squared negative ax positive b. In the equation above, a and b are constants and the graph of the equation has a vertex at point 3, negative 6. What is the value of b? Here we have a quadratic function in standard form. Okay, now let me write a quadratic function in standard form, that is y equals to ax squared positive bx positive c. Okay, when we have a quadratic function in standard form like this one, its graph will be a vertical parabola, and there is a formula to get the x coordinate of the vertex, that is x equals to negative b over 2a. So this is a formula we have to get the x coordinate of the vertex. Okay, here what we have to do is we have to take a negative sign and we have to consider the coefficient of x, and it has to be divided by 2 times a, that is the coefficient of x square. So we can use this formula to get the x coordinate of the vertex of the parabola given by this quadratic function. Okay, now let me use this formula over here to get the x coordinate. So for that we have to take a negative sign, then we have to consider the coefficient of x, that is negative a divided by 2 times the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is 2. Already we have the vertex for the graph of this quadratic function, so it's over here. So this vertex x coordinate is 3, so we can plug in this 3 for x over here. Then we get 3 equals to negative times negative is positive, that is a divided by 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now we can solve for a in this equation. For that we have to multiply both sides of this equation by 4. Then this 4 will cancel out. Here 4 times is 12. That is we have 12 equals to a. Okay, here I got the value of a, that is 12. Now what I can do is I can plug in this 12 for a over here into the given quadratic function. Then the function will become y equals to 2x square negative 12x positive b. Okay, already we know that this is the vertex of the graph of this quadratic function. So we have this point on the graph. So we can plug in this point into this equation. So we can plug in this x coordinate 3 for x over here, and y coordinate negative 6 for y over here. Okay, now let me do it. Then we get negative 6 equals to 2 times 3 square, negative 12 times 3 positive b. Negative 6 equals to 3 square is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Negative 12 times 3 is 36 positive b. Negative 6 equals to, when I combine positive 18 and negative 36, I am getting negative 18 positive b. Okay, let me add 18 to both sides of this equation. When I add 18 to both sides of this equation, negative 18 positive 18 will cancel out. When I combine negative 6 and positive 18, I am getting positive 12. On the right side we get b. Okay, here I got the value of the constant b, that is 12. We find this 12 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.